Saan tayo kakain? Napakasimpleng tanong, pero napakahirap desisyonan lalo na kung hindi kayo magkasundo. That's why we turn to social media to get some recommendations.
Hey guys, welcome to Uma Nota. Welcome to sunny Manila, Philippines. Come on in. This is actually our
At kung nagbababad ka online, malamang naligaw na sa feed mo ang viral and funny promotional posts ng Uma Nota Manila.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, you need a reservation. It's okay. So you take Kuya. Sorry, just take it. It's okay. 100 pesos lang.
Sa kanyang food trip sa BGC, inalam ni Migs Almendras kung tugma nga ba ang online hype ng Uma Nota sa kalidad ng pagkaing inihahain nila.
Why did you cater to the Philippine market?
Yeah, I mean, so I'm half Filipino.
Okay.
So I know I don't look like it or sound like it. But yes, I'm half Filipino.
Mabuhay.
I always wondered why did the other Asian countries, why did they get all the cool restaurants and nice food? And I was like, I don't want Manila to be this, sad, forgotten, little brother of Asia, when actually, if you go back and you look through history, in the 60s or 70s, we were a real powerhouse.
Yes.
Culturally, we were leading in terms of food innovation, even the production and science of producing rice. I don't know if you know this, we taught most of the countries how to make rice.
What I love about this, it's always so organized. We've got the best team. Did you see the restaurant? The dining room's beautiful.
What is the secret or the reasoning behind the way you've promoted yourself online? What was the approach in terms of reaching a wider audience here in Manila?
With the presentation, I think we really tried to do something different. We're very set on not copying what's been done before, really bringing something new to the market that's not just good for a Philippines or a national level, but something we would be proud to showcase internationally.
So why should people come and visit Uma Nota?
Because it's not just a restaurant. People come and check out the art, the tree, which is super safe. Ano ba yan?
Alex, what are we gonna try first?
I hope you're hungry.
I am.
Beautiful. So I think that's the beauty about Uma. It's really kind of the diversity of dishes. So when you go to Brazilian barbecues, you'll always have this, which is pão de queijo, which means cheese bread.
Okay.
In Portuguese.
So cheese
and obviously
bread?
we make it truffled. So this is very iconic for like Sunday barbecues, Brazilian barbecues. You'll always start with this on the table.
Malakas na malakas yung amoy ng truffle at lasa niya. Bukod doon, malambot siya actually. Meron siyang parang siguro crispy coating sa labas.
This is actually our tuna tataki, the ceviches, if you're familiar with it. We have some variances here, obviously, in the Philippines, right? And tiraditos, so the difference between a ceviche and a tiradito is basically a sashimi. Ceviche is big chunks of fish. And this is the perfect example of the Japanese influence in South America.
Okay, mga food explorers, sabi ko, talaga naman natutunaw itong tuna nila. Kaya ramdam mo, lasang-lasa mo, na fresh siya. The best part about this is hindi ganun katamis yung ginagamit nilang pickled pineapple. So, tama-tama lang yung balansa niya. Lasang-lasa mo pa rin yung tuna, hindi overpowering.
Baked pumpkin.
Baked pumpkin.
So you're gonna see the texture is very, very soft. And then sweet miso glaze.
Okay.
So it's gonna have a little bit of a sweet and a little bit of a salty taste to it. And then a bit of cashew nuts and a bit of herbs. And this is togarashi.
Pag kinain itong dish na to, ang unang mangyayari sa inyo, matitikman niyo muna yung asin or saltiness ng dish. But habang umuya kayo, doon na papasok yung konting tamis ng kanilang baked pumpkin.
So this is our Wagyu beef short rib.
Oh, Wagyu as well.
It's very melting, but obviously that comes from the Wagyu. But also the fact that we slow cook it, so it's gonna be kind of melt in your mouth.
Yes. A little crunch, and then this
But you also
salt.
have the acidity because it's quite fatty.
Nothing is just hard in this dish. Thank you so much for taking us a tour of
Pleasure.
the mixture of Japanese and Brazilian influences. Thank you so much for your
Thanks so
time.
much.
Nagpapatuloy ang ating food trip sa Uma Nota. Pero bago yan, lasapin muna natin ang nakakaganang ambience sa loob ng kanilang restaurant.
We have this gigantic tree.
We do, yeah.
What is the inspiration for the entire ambience of Uma Nota Manila? I've seen you have a bar here, art pieces here behind us.
Yes, a lot of the furniture you see here is produced locally. All of the artwork you see on the walls are local artists, so they're all for sale. So we also support the local art community. And again, really trying to showcase it and bring, like I said, all the talent that we do have in abundance and available here to an international level.
At dahil meron din silang bar, Samantalahin na natin ang chance at tikman ang kakaiba nilang drink fusions.
Kapag ininom nyo to, food explorers, ang una nyong malalasahan dyan, yung sweetness at tamis ng lychee. Pero syempre, pag tumama na yung ginger, honey, and gin, doon na magkakaroon ng talagang blending ng flavors.
We prepare a cocktail that is based on sake and a little bit of vodka. The rice and the coconut always works very well together. So we add also a homemade coconut liquor, inspired in a traditional or Cuban coconut liquor.
Kampay.
Kanpai.
We hope to see you very soon. Try our beautiful dishes. A lot of diversity, as you can see, and feel free to come to Uma Nota in BGC. Uma Nota Manila on IG. Please follow us. A lot of events and a lot of delicious food that we promote every day.
Natakam ka rin ba sa mga masasarap na putahing niluto natin kanina? Kayang-kaya mo rin niyang gawin sa bahay. Here's a quickie recipe recap. For our sinuwan na buko, extract the buko juice. Gayatin ang kamatis, kamyas at sibuyas. Konting salt and pepper. Pagsamahin at pakuluin for 5 to 10 minutes bago ihalo ang tilapia. For this dish, gagamit din tayo ng kalamansi na pandagdag asim. Timplahan ng patis. Finally, ihalo ang laman ng buko. Para naman sa ating burger with banana heart, aka burger na pinusuan ng saging. Balatan ang puso ng saging tapos hiwain ng pino. Season with salt while par cooking. Pigaan ang ginayat na puso ng saging hanggang mawala ang tubig nito. Add oyster sauce, eggs, all-purpose flour, mold the burger patty and fry it. Cook some sunny-side-up eggs. Add ketchup, mayonnaise, and a slice of tomato. Assemble the burger.